Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Amber Group has acquired a 50% equity stake in popular taxi service company On Time Taxi, which will now be rebranded as Amber On Time, reported by Our Today. All on-time taxis will be equipped with physical panic buttons for passengers with armed security responses. The platform will be backed by Amber Connect's real-time tracking with AI-enabled route and dispatch management functions. Advanced artificial intelligence dashcams will allow driver behavior monitoring, promote safer driving habits, and help reduce the likelihood of accidents, thereby lowering insurance premiums for operators. The National Housing Trust is hoping to recoup some 6.7 billion Jamaican dollars in outstanding contributions linked to micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, and charitable organizations. Damian McNally, Assistant General Manager at the NHT in charge of compliance in the Contributions Management Department, says the organization is now running an amnesty which will benefit some 8,200 businesses in these categories. Iron Rock Insurance Company Limited reports first quarter net profit of $5.53 million. Iron Rock Insurance Company Limited for the 3 months ended March 31, 2024, reported a 29% increase in insurance revenue totaling $401.45 million compared to $310.41 million in the corresponding period last year. Reinsurance contracts expense amounted to $251.63 million compared to the $171.62 million in 2023. This represents an increase of 47% year over year. Consequently, insurance service contracts expense decreased by 3% to $135.96 million compared to $139.59 million for the 3 months ended March 31, 2023. Insurance service results increased by 1,819% to close at $13.86 million compared to 2023 with a deficit of $807,000, while investment return increased by 79% from $16.20 million in 2023 to $29.07 million in 2024. Consequently, other income decreased by 107% from $3.21 million in 2023 to a loss of $229,000 in 2024. During trading for the period of July 23, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited with 4,947,662 units, amounting to 22.43% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 2,520,496 units, amounted to 11.43% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Jamaica Fiberglass Products Limited with 2,402,260 units, amounted to 10.89% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on July 23, 2024, registered a volume of 247,600 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $1,557,889 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 88 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 139,000 153 shares, changing hands for a value of 514,377 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 44 cents, followed by JMMB Group Limited with a volume of 80,576 shares being traded for $84,576.38. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the regional stock markets, we turn to the Forex market. On July 23, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $46.6 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $67.9 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.19 and bought the US dollar for $155.45. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.74, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.13 from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.78 and bought for $113.65. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.84, selling it for $202.80 and buying it for $200.96. For our credit report tip of the day, we continue to put the spotlight on your career as a way to boost your credit score, build your credit worthiness, and open doors to greater opportunities and financial freedom. So we have two more actionable steps for you. One is look at employee benefits. Take advantage of employer-sponsored benefits such as retirement plans, health savings accounts, and employee stock purchase plans. These can contribute to your financial stability and credit worthiness. Then there's continuing education. Invest in professional development to enhance your skills and increase earning potential. Advanced qualifications can lead to better job opportunities and higher income, strengthening your financial position. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.